I had always heard that merino wool was an incredible fabric to wear, especially if you're outdoorsy. It's great to wear on a hike, it's great to wear as thermals under your clothes. Well, if it's so great, then shouldn't we be wearing it every day and on all of our trips where we're maybe not super outdoorsy? And what if I'm just a little bit more stylish, and what if I'm plus size? That is where Wool-and comes in. I've put out a couple of Wool-and videos a couple of years ago. So if you guys are new here, or if you haven't ventured that far back on this channel before, then you may be somewhat new to my merino wool journey. I have a lot to say, I have a lot to show you today, but the number one thing I really want you guys to take away from this video today is that merino wool is an incredible fabric to travel in for several different reasons. There's so many benefits. You can wear it year-round, regardless of the season. Sweltering hot summer, you're good. Freezing cold winter, you're good. And this company, Wool-and, actually makes really cute, simple pieces. You're not just going to walk around looking like a hiker. You can wear them to work, you can wear them casually, and you can even wear it for 100 days straight. Today I'm going to show you my entire collection from Wool-and. I have 15 different pieces to show you. Some of them I've had for years and some of them are brand new. If you guys are new here, I'm Lauren Kelly from It's the Kellys, and I travel often and pack well and want to help you do the same. I have now been to 99 countries and all 7 continents, and I've done it in a carry-on bag. So on this channel, I review travel essentials, I give packing examples, I show you my trips, and give you a ton of just general travel help. So if that sounds like something that you need, then please subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. So a few years ago, my friend was telling me about this company that she had found and that she really wanted to do a little splurge and spend a bit of money to get several different pieces to create a capsule wardrobe because it was merino wool. And I'm just kind of thinking, yeah, I've heard of merino wool before. It's not that cute. People just wear it when they hike. But then she pulled up the website and showed me, Lauren, they have dresses, they have cardigans, they have cute work pants, they have everything. And they have a 100-day dress challenge where if you wear a dress for 100 days straight and send them proof, they will send you a gift card for another dress after you've completed it. I'm like, I could do that. And I did. May 22nd, 2022 is when I started my 100-day dress challenge with Wool-and. I wore the dress that I am wearing right now that I will show you a little bit later. I wore it for 100 days straight for a 2-week trip to Europe in the sweltering hot, nasty, sweaty summer to work every day. I wore it casually, I wore it dressy, I wore it on rainy days, I even wore it on my birthday. You can even check it out on Instagram. I made a highlight about it so you can see how I wore it for all 100 days, and I did a YouTube video about it as well. It wasn't sponsored or anything like that. I just thought, wow, merino wool, that's going to be great for travel, so why don't I share it with my followers as well? And then I became obsessed. So I figured it was time for a merino wool video because it's been a long time. So I'm going to show you the clothes in just a minute, but first let me talk about merino wool, why it's so amazing, and talk about Wool-and. So if you've never heard of merino wool before, you're probably thinking, wool? Isn't that super thick and itchy? Like you're probably picturing that really heavy sweater from Norway that literally looks like you just took a sheep and just put it on you. That's not what we're talking about. Merino wool is very lightweight. You see that? That is merino wool. It's breathable, it's moisture wicking, and the best part is it doesn't smell. You can sweat so nasty in this and it's not going to smell, and it doesn't get wet, and you can re-wear it over and over and over again, and it also doesn't create static, and it also doesn't crease. So literally we're talking about this fabric that probably the most perfect thing you can wear for travel for all of those different reasons. So Wool-and is a company that took all of the benefits of merino wool, all of that greatness that I just told you guys about, about and made incredible products for women that are stylish, yet simple and sustainable. First, they created a dress, and then a bunch of other dresses, and then a bunch of separates, and here we are today showing you 15 different pieces from their company. They are constantly coming out with new styles and constantly coming out with new colors. They have a massive Facebook group that I am in where a lot of us members will show like, hey, look at the new cardigan I got. This is how it fits. I'm a size 2X and I'm 5'10", or like, hey, you know what? Does anyone else have this? Hey, how did you style this? It's really fun and really supportive. The coolest part is that Wool and is in the group as well. So they are seeing all of the things we're talking about and creating products based off of our feedback. Oh, I wish the sleeves were longer. They did it. Oh, I really wish it came in this color. They did it. You know, I really wish I had this kind of dress. They did it. And now it's time to show you all of the clothes. So everything I'm about to show you is going to be linked down below in the description box. I really hope that there is at least a piece or 2 or 5 or 6 that you want. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. Let's begin. This is the Maggie swing dress, and this is the dress that I did my 100-day challenge in. Currently it comes in 10 different colors. It also comes in 2 different lengths because maybe you need the longer version, and then it comes in all of the different sizes between an extra small and a 3X, and you're going to see that from a lot of different items in today's video. It has short sleeves and a scoop neck top. It has a little bit more of an A-line, so it's not too straight up and down, so it's great for all body types, and of course it has pockets. This is the Camila tank dress. This one is cut just like the Maggie dress that I showed you before, except it's sleeveless. It still has that beautiful A-line shape, that gorgeous scoop neck. It has the pockets, but it's sleeveless. This is the Sophia Midi dress, and I got this one when I wanted something with a cinch waist. So when they came out with this one, I was super excited. It does only come in one length because it is just the midi length, meaning it's not maxi, but it's not short. It kind of just comes mid-calf. I'm 5'10". You can see how it fits me here. I love that this dress still has the nice scoop neck, and it is sleeveless, cinch waist, still pockets, of course. It is a great staple. Next we have the Brooklyn wrap dress, and you guys, this one is so cute and so popular. It's not a real wrap dress, it just kind of looks like a wrap dress. I love this one because it just looks a little bit different. I love kind of the crisscross in front. Wrap dresses are so beautiful on all body types, and there's so many people that actually will wear this backwards as well, so that it's a little bit higher on the neck and then it drapes in the back instead of the front. And I'm sorry to say this one does not have pockets, but that's okay. So that is it for my dresses. Let's move on to the tops. This is the Morgan V-neck tee, and I love this one because it's a V-neck and it's just a really nice staple in your wardrobe, because the other one I'm about to show you is a scoop neck. This is the Stella scoop neck tee. So the last one I showed you was V-neck. This one has more of that classic scoop neck, and this one is coming with me on my next trip because it's just so easy to wear with so many different items. The next 2 I'm about to show you are long sleeve, and this one is called Sloan. It's a long sleeve crew neck, so it's not quite as scoopy, and I have traveled with this a lot. I wore this to Norway when I went to see the Northern Lights. I think I wore it actually every single day, especially as a base layer too. This is the Halsey Raglan tunic tee, and it's long sleeve. Now this one is a newer item for me. I just got it not that long ago, and it's more of a tunic, which is great, especially if you're going to wear it with leggings where you maybe don't want to expose your shape too much. This one is meant to be just a little bit oversized. It has a little bit more of an open neck, and it's really, really comfortable. Now we're going to move on to bottoms, because you can't just have a capsule wardrobe with dresses and tops. So I'm going to show you 2 different pairs of leggings, and they're really not that different, except for the fact that one has pockets on the side and one doesn't. These are the Axis mid-weight leggings. They have a ton of different thicknesses, a ton of different lengths, but these ones have been my favorite. I wear these all the time, super comfortable to wear. They're leggings. They're not see-through. They're insanely comfortable. They pack up so small, or of course they're great to wear on the plane too. And then these are a mid-weight legging as well. These are called the Summit Mid-Weight Pocket Leggings. Yeah, there's a pocket here and there's a pocket here. How great is that? They fit me the same. They're great. They're not see-through. They pack up small, high-waisted. I'm obsessed. Add the pockets, even better. If you thought the Summit pocket leggings were great, guess what? They have them in shorts as well. Maybe not everyone is a bike short person. I probably haven't really worn these on their own, but I wear these a lot underneath dresses, especially in the summer. And they do have pockets as well, so then you can put stuff in there and it's a little bit of extra security, especially when you're walking around traveling in a city center or something. When I did my 100-day dress challenge, I wore these underneath my dress probably about 75% of the time. So these are the frame pant culotte, and when these debuted, I was so thrilled and bought them on day one because I love a good A-line pant. I love where they sit on my body. They still have the pockets, and I think they're a really flattering pant for a lot of different body types. Definitely a staple in my wardrobe. So now this skirt, oh my gosh, Wool&, finally made skirts. And you guys, I am such a skirt person. And as soon as I saw that they came out with the skirt, I immediately had to buy it. I'm talking about literally a week ago. So this is the Helena Midi travel skirt, meaning that same great midi length. It's not short, it's not long, it's right in the middle. I could have gotten it in black, but this is way more of a fun color, I think. This is the Landmark cardigan. So when I was doing my 100-day dress challenge in this dress, this was a huge staple for me because if it was a chillier day, then I would wear this with it. Last but not least, I have something really exciting to show you because Wool& has now come out with a jacket. This is the Hilltop Wool Fleece Jacket, and I'm telling you guys, this is an incredible piece to have. And this may look kind of more like the wool you're thinking of, but this is so insanely soft. I mean, it feels really good, and it's not even that heavy, but it keeps you incredibly warm. I wear this a lot on those days where it's really, really chilly in the morning, but I don't quite need my winter coat. All right, guys, so what did you think? It's so fun. I love everything that I have from this company, and there's definitely a few pieces I showed you today that I'm going to take on my next couple of trips. Let me know down below what items you have in mind to grow your merino wool collection, and then let me know where you want to travel with them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy travels, and I'll see you next time. Bye.